Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. It's May 6, 2014. Wanted to go over our trading today. Today was not an easy day to trade. No day is, but this one was particularly difficult. Wasn't great market movement. I'm sorry, I hope you can hear me better. There wasn't great market movement today. Uh, if you didn't hear the date, it's April 6, 2014. Let's just take the Russell from the open.
Stop filled.
Right here at 9:30. Market opened, chopping laterally. Then we had a C candle on a yellow 15, unfortunately. Took the market down. This was a potential entry in the retrospectoscope, but the MA diff here, the differential between the 50 and the 15. Let me see how many ticks this was. It was 24 ticks, pretty wide. So this would have been an aggressive short, really trading the opening of the Russell. So we just stayed off of it. Now this is a hanging C here. It was successful, but these are risky entries to the upside. This was a C candle to the downside, but it occurred on a yellow modified 15. So things which weren't aligning for us. Finally, we got what we're looking for. We always do get what we're looking for. It just takes time, it takes patience, and it takes discipline. We got our move to the upside, retracement, entry. It only went 6, but we got a first target. But then we got a re-entry. And this time we were right on it. Move to the upside, retracement, and this time we got 10 ticks out of it. Then we got here nothing but chop. Then here, again, same thing that we're always looking for. Move down, retracement, down for 6 ticks. Now this is just the way the day went. So this is our third winner. This is a great entry. It just occurred on a rising 50. That was a tough trade to take. It was really a nice structural setup. Just a little bit hesitant. Maybe I should have pulled the trigger here. It would have been a great move to the downside. I held off on that green 50. Now we traded through all of this chop. Didn't take anything here. And then we had what I call an impulse move, short for impulsive. The Russell just fell. Now the 50 is rising. We have a move to the upside. You can see the modified 15 has already turned. You can see that order flow and momentum have turned to the downside. But there was no way to predict that the market was going to take this major impulse move to the downside. When we do get this, what we're looking for is a retracement and then a continuation to the downside. Unfortunately, in these moves where we just don't get a retracement, we don't chase. So we had to let this really nice big move on the Russell go. But then we were rewarded with our last trade, our fourth winner, with our move to the upside, Same pattern over and over again. Our move down, our retracement, and down for 11 for 2 targets. Now, gold was just such a massive chop, I'm not even going to bother to show it. Crude gave us really nothing. Now, I went on a limb and I took this trade and I lost 5 ticks on it. It was not a good trade. You can see the modified 15 was yellow. Here's where, when you break discipline, you get burned. I anticipated this move to the upside, and the move came back 12, but I took it out at 5, and then it ran to the upside without any retracement again. No ability to get back in or to get in on a continuation trade to the upside. And that's what we're looking for. Earlier, there was just nothing on the Russell. Really. Nothing corresponded. We're looking at 2 o'clock in the morning here. Very few candles. There was just nothing to trade. If you chased anything, you got stopped out. And there was no way, there were just no retracement trades available on crude oil today. So I took this bad trade. Shame on me. But here's how we did today. Now we have a new ATM strategy. We're trying to monetize our runners. Now today, with our old ATM strategy, we would have made $600. 2 off at 4, 2 off at 5, and 2 off at 10. But we've changed our ATM strategy to 3 contracts off at 5 ticks, 10 tick initial trailer. At the first target, it moves to minus 5 ticks. Second target, 10 ticks, 1 contract off. Stop, moves to break even, and runs on a 10 tick trailer. Now, because we got 2 first targets and no runners, instead of making $600, we only made $360 today. That's the way it is. I mean, we changed our ATM strategy to gear it up to capitalize on the trailers, and we just didn't get any. We also still are at risk on our 4th and 5th contracts at minus 5. If we don't get that second target, we only got 2 first targets, and they were only worth $50 each. So the new ATM, more aggressive ATM strategy we've taken costs us $240 today. I think in the course of the month, though, it's going to really pay off. So that's how we did today. Russell plus 11, plus 10, plus 6, plus 6. Crude minus 5. Gold, no trades. Yesterday we had 3 wins on the Russell. So far this month, we have 15 trades, 13 wins, and 2 losers. So our win ratio is amazingly high, and one of those losers was really that bad trade that I took today right here. So that's it for today. As always, we have a lot of people in the room and a lot of people on trials, and we really, really do welcome you to come into the room. Just hold on 1 second here. To sign up for a free room trial, you can go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you will, for our daily equity and our live trading room, you'll find a link to our daily equity and our auto trader. You will also find a link to come into the room and spend some spend almost a week with us. We will also give you a free copy of the software to download to your computer for that week. So you're basically set up and ready to and running with us for a free trial. We don't ask for a credit card. This is just a free trial, no obligation. You can email us at info@rightlinetraining.com, or you can come and call us at 1-855-765-6681. You're welcome to call us anytime. We're here all afternoon. So everyone, have a wonderful, wonderful afternoon. We look forward to seeing you in the training room. Take care.